Life is flying by, we're always running. So much happening in every day. Don't have the time to find the words that I want to say. I just really want the chance to tell you. I wanna find a way to make you see what I hold in my heart and what you mean to me. I just wanted you to know that I think of you. I just wanted you to know you're the first thing on my mind. I just wanted you to know that you're everything. I just wanted you to know everything I thought I'd never find. I just wanted you to know that I love you. I just wanted you to know that I think about you every day. I just wanted you to know that I miss you. I just wanted you to know that I wish you the best holiday. Just wanted you to know that you're beautiful. Just wanted you to know that you always know just what to say. Just wanted you to know that you're amazing. I just wanted you to know that I'm here for you in every way. I just wanted you to know this much is true. I just wanted you to know that we're meant to be together. I just wanted you to know, yeah, you know I'll be there. Just wanted you to know I'll be loving you forever. I just wanted you to know. I just wanted you to know. I just wanted